In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a pin on Pinterest. Whether you've realized that a pin no longer serves your taste or maybe it was saved by accident, knowing how to effectively manage your Pinterest boards is essential for keeping everything organized and up to date. Let's dive right into the process, which is both simple and quick, ensuring you spend less time on the task and more time curating beautiful boards. First, open your preferred web browser, head over to the Pinterest website, and log into your account. If you're not already familiar with the site, Pinterest is a fantastic platform for discovering, collecting, and organizing visuals and ideas. From home decor inspirations to delicious recipes and beyond, it serves as a digital pin board that you can tailor to your specific interests. Once you're signed in, navigate to your profile page. You can find your profile by clicking your picture or initials at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a snapshot of all the boards and pins you've created or saved. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Pins section, which is typically found just beneath your bio and board previews on your profile page. Clicking on Pins will display all the individual pins you have saved over time. This is a quick way to glance through everything you've collected, all in one convenient spot. It might feel like looking through a scrapbook full of all the visual inspirations you've stumbled upon and decided were worth saving. Scroll through your collection and find the specific pin that you want to remove. Once you've found it, you need to move your cursor over the pin and you should see some options appear, allowing you to interact with the pin. Look for the Edit button and give it a click. This button is your gateway to making changes to how a pin appears on your profile or to remove it entirely. Upon clicking Edit, you'll be presented with a few options, such as editing the title or description of the pin. But for our purposes, we'll want to find and click the Delete button. A prompt will usually appear asking to confirm that you indeed want to delete the pin. Pinterest does this just to make sure that you don't accidentally get rid of an important pin due to an errant click. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the pin will be removed from your profile, which brings more space for new content or just a cleaner, more streamlined collection. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a pin from your Pinterest account, a simple task that ensures your profile reflects your current taste and needs. Enjoy discovering and curating your future collections, and don't hesitate to come back if you need any more tips or help on how to navigate Pinterest or any other similar platforms. Happy pinning!